haven't done a video in a while, so I decided that I would tell you about some of my favorite balms. Balms. They are my savior. I fly all the time. I'm actually getting on a plane in the next 2 hours, and I thought, oh, what better to tell you about than what I'm slathering on my body right now. So because I don't know how to edit a video and cut things together, this might be a little longer than it needs to be, but I'm going to just go through all of these different balms, tell you bits and pieces about them, encourage you to look at their websites and see which scent profiles appeal the most to you. But just know that everything I'm going to tell you about are from companies that are in some way doing either good for the, or not either, but doing good for the planet, doing good for our bodies. They are of varying contents, organic, but they are all non-toxic, and they're from companies that are known to be green and clean. So in no particular order, have you heard of this company, Lowly? Doesn't this just make you want to eat it, right? When this package arrived, I was like, chia seed oil, carrot seed oil, beeswax, sea buckthorn oil. It's a scent that's like very earthy and not like florally or minty or anything. It's delicious, and I've been really enjoying that yumminess. You can see that pretty shine that it imparts, and it's super hydrating. So I've been enjoying that. All of these balms are on my bedside table, which makes everyone laugh when they come over and see how many little bottles and jars I have. Okay, 8 Faces. I may have told you about this one before. I really like this one as well. It's a little bit thicker, pastier. It has a slight bit of sheen in it that you only really see in direct sunlight, but I really like that. And it smells delicious. It has like geranium and grapefruit scent. It's just a really good, even thicker balm. And then if you've been around me and asked me for a lip balm or something in the past couple of years, you've probably seen me reach in my purse, put a squeeze of this on the back of my hand and offer it to you. This has been my go-to just because it's so easy to carry. I like this brand Pie, and it's a Baruti balm. I gave it to my mom after she had surgery, and she said it really healed the scar up quickly and nicely. So I'm always going to be a fan of that. And then, have you seen this one? I don't know if it's pronounced Nucifera, but I really like this. It's a nice consistency, not too thick, not too thin. It smells more like, you know, the essential oil blend is lavender, peppermint, grapefruit, carrot seed, sandalwood, Palo Santo, patchouli, and frankincense. It's a really nice scent. Sweet Lena Hansen, another makeup artist, she made this Global Treasures balm. It's delicious. It makes me want to have dessert, and it's a very pretty finish as well. Can you see that? I love it. Okay, this is a super thick, I'm counting it as a balm, although it calls itself a paste. It's from Worker Bee, and it's beeswax, raw honey, organic olive oil. Look how thick it is. It is by far the thickest. And often if I'm having like super dry, cracked anything, lips, if I had a cold around the nose, hands, if they're going to be on camera or something, and sometimes heels and toes, I will put on an oil or a balm, and then I'll put this on top and go to sleep with it. And when I wake up in the morning, my hands look like I'm 15 again. Okay, Uli's ointment. I really like this one too. It's easy to transport. I like the container. It's easy to recycle, to use for something else. I use this lips. I use it, as with all of these, I use it lips, around the eyes. I'm still gun shy from having broken out my whole life. I don't really break out as much anymore, but I'm still scared to put it on places that I used to break out all the time. But I do use all of these at work, and put them on the highlights of, the highlight planes of the face. Delicious. And all these collarbones too. And then last but not least, have you seen these stick balms? I really love a stick balm. They're easy to carry. I love the packaging. It's cardboard, super eco-friendly. Chamomile. Chamomile's delicious in a balm. In anything. I love it. It's very soothing. This one is called the Everywhere Salve for face, lips, and body. It has 0 chemicals. It's from Cosmos, and easy to use, easy to love. It smells delicious. Anyway, I think, yep, that's it. So those are my favorite balms right now. I have, tons of everything on rotation all the time, but these keep on rising to the top, all of them. And I've gifted them to friends and heard good things, and no complaints about any of them. So please take a minute and look them up and see what scent profiles appeal the most to you, and enjoy your nice glowy hydrated skin this summer.